AgWeek weather is sponsored by Bremer Bank. Connect with a banker today at bremer.com.
How will the weather fare as we head into the heart of May? Here's John with our AgriWeather outlook.
It's hard to believe we're almost to the month of June. As we look at the last 2 weeks of May, this pattern of very mild temperatures over most of the northern and central parts of the U.S. looks like it will continue. There'll be the occasional hot day, but we've not seen big-time heat move north this year where it would linger for a while. In other words, no heat waves in sight, at least through the month of May. May showers and some thunderstorms will continue, but it continues to be a relatively benign pattern. Northern areas, the bigger storms have been further south. We'll show you, though, toward the end of this period, as we get toward the 1st of June, there are some signs of summertime weather waking up, and once we get hot and humid, you start worrying about those June thunderstorms into some areas of the northern plains and the upper Midwest. As far as the start of this weather forecast period goes, got a jet stream trough through the Rocky Mountain states. I'm not including the subtropical dread in this discussion. Just to simplify things, it doesn't have much of an impact on the weather over North America. There is a weaker branch of the polar jet stream that's way up north, which is one of the reasons why really cold weather has been largely absent from the region. But instead of remaining warm or hot, those temperatures around the upper 80s and 90s, those are actually going to get pushed a little bit southward this week. Jet stream coming southwest to northeast with waves on it will bring good chances for showers and, in the warmer weather, a few thunderstorms. But once we get a modest cool down through, we're settling into a generally mild weather pattern across the northern plains and the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest and much of the Corn Belt, only getting into consistent 80s a little bit further south. Just not a lot of really hot weather showing up with this weather pattern. Jet stream diving down into south into California, not likely a very wet pattern for the far south. There will be some showers into the Pacific Northwest. And as we ride into the second week, which is now going to be after Memorial Day weekend and into the last few days of May, it remains fairly mild. There are some indications, though, of some ridging in the west and central, which could bring some warmer temperatures to these areas, and that would then in turn cool down areas over the Midwest and the northeastern states. This first week of the forecast looks fairly wet, just showers mostly northern plains, a stray thunderstorm. Most of the heavier storms and thunder showers will be down through the southern plains and the Middle West. And then the second week, we're not seeing a big change in the overall shape of things. Showers, thunder showers, and a few storms from the northern plains across the Great Lakes and the northern part of the corn bean belt. The southwest part of the country will likely remain dry.